Super elegant from the outside is seamless. Rushing up is Saga. Mike Some Lady Pilio is racing in fifth caught in the act. Banay Flying Hope. While Risk Taker is running at the tail of the field. Saga Himless from the outside is Super elegant. Oh, Pilio is racing in fourth by Dral. Mike Some Lady in fifth. 6 Banay. And inside the last 800, Saga number 6 by about 2 lengths, followed by Himless in second. Super Elegant racing in third by Dral Pilio. And rounding the far turn, Saga by only a length and a half. Himless. Pilio is running by Dral and Super Elegant on the outside as they race the last 450. Himless from the outside. Pilio in between runners. Saga Super Elegant is on the outside. Himless Super Elegant is on the outside. And Pilio in between runners. But still Himless Super Elegant Pilio. Himless and Super Elegant Pilio. But still Himless by about 2 lengths. And finally Himless Super Elegant Pilio. Saga Flying Hope and Banay for your Super 6.
Okay, 1 minute.